You know that thing you've been putting off for way too long? Yeah, the one that's been sitting on your to-do list so long it probably has squatter's rights by now? Well, here's the truth. Beating procrastination is way easier than you think. Seriously, you don't need a bulletproof morning routine or to suddenly become disciplined. You just need to understand a few surprisingly simple mindset shifts, because procrastination isn't about being lazy. It's about being human. I used to be the kind of person who'd open my laptop to get started, only to find myself watching 20 minutes of raccoon videos on YouTube. Then I'd feel guilty, overthink, and somehow procrastinate even harder. Sound familiar? Here's what I realized. Procrastination isn't the enemy. It's a signal. It's your brain saying, hey, something here feels too big, too scary, or too unclear. So today, I'm going to show you a ridiculously simple 3-step framework to outsmart that mental fog and actually start doing the things you care about without guilt, burnout, or needing to fix yourself. Leans in with a smile. Ready? Let's make procrastination panic when it sees you coming. Here's the roadmap for what we're unpacking today. Step 1. Shrink the mountain. We'll talk about why your brain freezes when a task feels too big and how to use a 2-minute trick to make any project instantly doable. Hint, it's not about motivation. Step 2. Befriend your future self. This one's my favorite. You'll learn how to turn your ugh, I'll do it later brain into your biggest ally by using one surprisingly fun mindset flip. Step 3. Redefine the win. Most of us procrastinate because we set the bar too high. I'll show you how to use micro wins to create instant progress loops that actually feel good, so you keep going naturally. By the end of this video, you'll walk away with a 10-minute strategy you can use today. No productivity apps, no morning routines, no guilt tripping. And if you're thinking, okay, but I've tried everything before, trust me, you haven't tried this. Because we're not forcing discipline here. We're rewiring how your brain sees effort, kind of like tricking it into saying, wait, this isn't scary at all. It's like sneaking vegetables into your pasta sauce, except the vegetables are your goals, and your brain's like, wow, this tastes amazing, let's do more. So stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to turn that ugh, maybe tomorrow energy into hey, I'll just start now. And if you've ever wanted to finally stop the cycle of stress, avoidance, and guilt, this might just be the mindset shift that changes everything. Smiles. Let's dive into step 1, and I promise it'll take less time than you've already spent scrolling today.